Tucked away in the heart of the Wisconsin Dells is something totally unexpected.
The old man is going down this slide again.
Welcome to the Land of Natura, the newest theme park in the area. But this isn't your typical thrill ride. This 150-acre natural playground flips the script, where the wild beauty of nature is the main attraction. It's home to America's largest floating water park, miles of trails, treetop adventures, and crystal clear waters, all designed to help families reconnect with each other and the world around them. We're exploring it all, from forest floors to floating obstacles, from peaceful ponds to adrenaline-pumping slides, and we're bringing you along for the ride so you can plan a day that's anything but ordinary.
All right, guys, we're gonna give this a try.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Thanks for joining us on this Love Nesters adventure, where the fun comes naturally. The first part of the adventure is finding it. Land of Natura is located away from the other water parks. It's about 3 minutes from downtown Wisconsin Dells. Parking is not included in your admission ticket unless you are staying at one of the Natura properties. Be prepared to pay with a credit or debit card. This is a cashless park. It is important to note that you cannot bring any water into the park. You can bring an empty water bottle that can be filled on site. Now, tickets can be purchased online or on site. We found it a real easy process to order online, and check-in went quite smoothly. And finally, no carry-ins are allowed in this park. There are plenty of food options provided on site.
Welcome back to Love Nesters. We are in Wisconsin Dells at the Land of Natura.
This is Wisconsin Dells' newest water park, and we are so excited to show you around.
We're going to get a behind-the-scenes tour with the owner, so we're excited to show you that.
This park has like 17 different attractions. We're going to take you to as many of them as we can. Some are on land, some are in the water. We'll get things started on land, but don't worry, we will be getting wet and you're coming along.
Thanks for being here. We're getting a great behind-the-scenes tour.
The centerpiece of this incredible park is America's largest floating water park. But before it became a destination for family fun, this was just an empty field. The lake, now known as Lake Wisconsin Dells, was completely man-made, designed from the ground up to offer a chlorine-free, naturally filtered water experience. Today, over 15 million gallons of water are cleaned and cycled through this eco-friendly system. This incredible park is the brainchild of 3 brothers who grew up right here in the Dells. Dave, Adam, and Rich Makowski had a vision to create a place where people could truly connect with nature.
What we wanted to do is bring back nature to, nature never left Wisconsin Dells, but we wanted to make it a little bit more aware of and get people more involved in nature. So we came up with this great idea where we took nature and we added a little more fun to it with the inflatable water park behind us. We've also put in a suspended tree walk canopy tour that you're going to soon see, and that is North America's longest treetop walk.
If you were going to go out today and do one of these activities, what one activity would you?
I just love floating in the water. The water feels so relaxing. It's like massage for your skin. It's
floating.
Just so nice.
We got a floater here.
Yep, floater.
I love the slide.
The slide
on top of the mountain.
But that big slide,
Yeah.
it pulls a lot of G's when you're going down that one. I mean, it sends you like down, and it gives you a little launch at the end.
Now, I know there's a snorkeling area. Are there fish in here?
Oh yeah, yeah, we
There
gotta
are
have fish. You know, that's part of the ecosystem. They control the bugs and everything else, so everything is in balance. And over there by those yellow buoys, we actually started an underwater art museum too, so you could.
Oh,
Yeah, we actually have. We commissioned a UFO, and there's a UFO right in the water there by one of the buoys.
Crash
We have
into the
like. You go somewhere on vacation and you're like, oh, this place is great, but if they had this, or if they did this, or if they something. Well, all those ifs we try to cover as much as possible in the first, we'll call it rendition phase of this project.
The goal was to appeal to everyone, the grandparents, to the adults, to the kids.
Before checking out the inflatable water park, we headed to the back of Natura to check out an area known as Rivertopia. This is where you'll find America's longest suspended tree walk. It stretches an incredible 1,100 feet through the forest canopy. It's not just a scenic stroll with amazing views and bird-watching opportunities. It also gave us a surprising bit of a thrill.
So you could shake the bridge, to make it funner.
Oh my gosh.
Have a 90-year-old or a 100-year-old, or even a person in a wheelchair could experience a thrill ride.
Oh!
We're up 40, 50 feet up in the air. It's moving.
You are terrible. Oh my gosh, you wouldn't think this would be that frightening, but it really is. It's really rocking.
What an incredible place to be, to see. You're walking through a white pine forest here, so it is a special place to come visit.
This canopy walk is really something. I did not expect it to be this bouncy. It really is like a thrill ride, and it is beautiful. The scenery in here is absolutely gorgeous. You're up in the treetops. Highly recommend.
It's easy to escape the crowds and immerse yourself in nature on over 10 miles of scenic hiking and biking trails. If you've got a bike, bring it along. Guests are welcome to ride their own and explore at their own pace. One of the best places to explore is the private beach, where you can truly get away from it all.
This is part of Land of Natura. You have your own beach, private beach.
If you're up for a longer hike, walk up to the Sugar Bowl Lookout for incredible views of the river.
So thanks for joining us today. We are having a great time exploring the Land of Natura. And don't worry, this guy will be going on some of those water attractions soon.
Thanks for being here.
This Land of Natura is incredible, truly one of the hidden gems of Wisconsin Dells.
Okay,
Are you having fun?
I'm having fun, but if we go this way, this is where I fell before.
Okay, you know what? I think you're better off just running across this versus. Don't think about it too much. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. Don't think about it.
Don't think about it. Don't think about it. Don't think about it.
Don't think about it. Yay! Wow, you just about did the splits. Bend over. Hi, it's Ben and Eileen Dover. I'm glad you did your hair this morning. It looks wonderful. Who's your hairstylist? She did it. I can't make fun of that. Wow, these are slippery. Wow, these are slippery.
Climb every mountain, dear. Oh my gosh! Beluga! Oh my gosh. Boy, the kids do it and they don't even get wet. Oh, you are so strong. You're there. You got it. You got it. You got it. Oh, you made that look easy. Oh, good job.
Don't think about it. Just go on the white line. Here we go, folks. Just one at a time. You got it. You got it. Oh, you were so close.
Being a kid is exhausting.
You see how easy, if you fall in, you just look for these little arrows and there's a nice easy step up for us old people. And here she's gonna go down her scary slide. Oh boy, are you gonna go head first? Careful, careful. Oh.
Hey guys, like and subscribe.
You gotta keep your head back.
I made it look easy. All right, show me how it's done, dear. Oh, you got long legs. Okay, keep going, hotshot.
You okay? We're trying to bob, unfortunately, to get to the end. Even the lifeguards are laughing. And here's the bob. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
If bouncing on inflatables isn't your thing, don't worry. There are plenty of other ways to enjoy the water. Kayaks and stand-up paddle boards are available for rent. There's beach volleyball and even a separate inflatable play structure designed just for the little ones. Prefer to stay dry? Head over to the greenhouse. It's filled with beautiful plants and offers a fascinating look at how Land of Natura naturally filters its massive man-made lake using rocks and plants just like Mother Nature. And just outside, don't miss the koi pond, a peaceful, hands-on spot where you can feed the fish and watch them glide through the water. So anyone is welcome to feed the fish here at the Land of Natura. Jeff has special permission. Normally you would not go wading in a koi pond, but we're having some fun today. There are showers and changing rooms available on site, as well as lockers in various sizes. Now, if you are in the water, you are required to wear a life vest. You're welcome to bring your own, but they are provided at no additional cost. So Natura is Polish for natural. In fact, many languages, Natura means natural. And fun fact, this family's heritage is Polish, and that's where they come up with the name.
This water is absolutely beautiful. Nice and warm, all fresh, always recirculating. Incredible.
This is the adult lagoon.
Go up to the top of the largest slide at the Land of Natura. Here's the steps. It's okay if I scream going down.
All right, this is the time that I think Jeff is double knotting. That is quite the plunge.
I'm gonna try this. Woo, that was fun.
So the water is not heated, but it's pumped through, so I guess it's naturally heated. It's naturally warmer in the shallow section, but because they're pumping it through, that gets into the deeper sections. It's really very comfortable, and the water just has this soft feel to it. It's just lovely to be in it. Plenty of cocktail choices here at the Land of Natura. Be aware this is a cashless place. Even the parking is credit card only. They do have machines here that will turn cash into credit, but leave your cash at home.
There are lots of add-on options to enhance your stay, like cabanas, tables, and umbrellas. But if that isn't in your budget, bring a beach blanket and set up in the area set aside for that. Snorkeling gear is available for purchase in the gift shop, or you can bring your own. There are quite a few objects to discover underwater.
Awesome! You get to see fish, a UFO.
So just a reminder, carry-ins are not allowed, but they do offer quite a number of food choices.
And this is from Brothers Market.
What is it, a burrito bowl?
This is the chicken burrito bowl. Very reasonable, and you get a huge portion. So here's to Land of Natura.
Fun day.
Hey, the Land of Natura. It's a great place to bring the entire family, grandparents, kids, cousins.
Or just your spouse.
Or just the old guys.
I gotta tell you, it is a full day. It is a full adventure. It is exhausting. It is so much fun.
It is so much fun.
It is so much laughs. I mean, you're gonna get wet, but hey, it's awesome.
Thanks for the brothers for hosting us today. Really appreciate it.
We had a fabulous time. They have a special place here. Encourage you to come on out.
Thanks for being here.